What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're starting off by doing an oil change. I already have it on jack stands. Got my little carpet there so I won't get dirty. I got the little oil pan catcher, whatever the fuck it's called, right there. And yeah, let's get to it. But first, I'm gonna go pick up some food because I haven't ate yet and gotta get something, you know, in my stomach before I start putting in work. I just picked up my food. Man, if you guys haven't tried tacos del Yogi, you guys need to come. Here's the address, location, everything, phone number. This is my go-to spot. They're only open weekends, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You guys could Google it también. They're on there too. But hey, I'm telling you guys come need to try this. If you guys don't eat at Tacos del Yogi, then fuck you, respectfully. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, go ahead and try this shit. The food speaks for itself. I highly recommend it. Also family owned. I know them personally, and nothing but good vibes all the time. You know, fast service per se, you know what I mean? Like, just try it. Right, we just got back to the pad with our food, and man, look at these tacos. I got cuatro de pollo. It comes with, you know, salsa of your choice, red or green. I like both, but I prefer the red one. If for all you people that like, you know, a kick to your salsa or like that spicy, get the red salsa. This will have you regretting it later, for sure. And it comes with, you know, rábanos, limón también. Yeah, your mom, dude. And my brother got a quesadilla, but when you get a quesadilla, it comes with, you know, lettuce, onion, all that good jazz. But yeah, man, like I said, I highly recommend them. Family owned. They've been in business for a couple years now, I must say. And yeah, they have you know, a variety of food choices for, like, you know, anywhere from like tacos. They just added some things to the menu as well. For sure, burrito, because I just got that like last week, and dank. La tacos dorados. I think they're adding pozole. I'm not too sure. I'll let the food speak for itself. I know you guys are probably saying, "Oh, this guy's hyping it up too much." I personally think I'm not, but just try it. That's all I gotta say. Oh yeah, damn. I look, you put a little bit too much and shit. Better get that later for sure. I can honestly say, you guys might think different, but in my opinion, it's like worth the wait, you get me? Because like they're open only weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And there's times where, you know, I crave it throughout the week, even, you know, Popeye and Minor. Like my cousin, Joey stays out there in Vegas. Every time he comes down, we always have to hit Yogi's. So I just finished eating right now, so let's get to drain the oil. God damn, bitches on there tight. Shout out to Minor for these gloves, because I ran out, I don't know when. And before, I wouldn't care if I would get my hands dirty or not. But you know, just over time, kind of, I would say, got annoying of just having to constantly wash my hands, you know what I mean? So I just decided, fuck it, I'm gonna wear gloves. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't fall. That ought to do it. Hopefully this fits. Oh, nope. check for leaks, and we are golden. Gucci in the coochie. So I don't know how this thing came off, like this 10mm bolt, but it just fucking came off and shit. My brother just sent me a video and shit while he was at work that this thing came off, so I was like, what the hell? So let's go find another one. Bolt boxes in the EF. Boom, found it. Alright guys, so I believe where we left off was doing oil change on my brother's whip. Now we are going to change his valve cover gasket because we need to take this out because it's a 10mm bolt that holds it down with the garment and all that good jazz, and somehow some way that bolt broke inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the screw-on one, the 10mm screw-on. I'll show you guys that. So might as well that we have everything off, we're gonna put, you know, fresh valve cover gasket. We just need to pop off the screws and whatnot. This thing comes off. I believe that's a 12mm. Take that sucker off and good to go. Alright, so we got the valve cover off. So what we are switching in a better look is this right here. I don't, like I said, I don't know how that broke inside there, but it is what it is. So for example, like that 10mm bolt goes right there, and what we are switching it out for is this. So instead of the 10mm bolt, it's going to be a 10mm nut. Same thing with the washer and the garment or whatnot. Instead, it's going to be brand new. And just like that, it is swapped. Now it's time to reverse the process. Take out the valve cover gasket, the little freaking whatever these shits are called, I already forgot, and just replace them. I had to run to Full Riley's real quick to buy gasket sealer because I can't find mine. Alright, so we are done. Got the new gasket, valve cover gasket on, and the new seals as well. You guys don't have to put gasket sealer, but I just like to do it either way to be safer, make sure, you know, nothing leaks or whatnot. But it shouldn't leak because it's brand new, but I just like to do the extra mile and just do it. Might as well. Alright guys, so we just finished. I got my niece holding the camera for me. So we put everything back on. Everything is tight. Everything is tight. As you can see, we got all new garments or whatnot. Everything is tightened down. No leaks.
You want me to go turn it off?
Alright, so it's next day here. I came back to the junkyard. I'm with Fifi, and we came to pull this out because I seen that the EF does not have it. Pretty straightforward. 210s, or I believe it's just this 110. Not sure if no one's back here. 110, 210. Fifi's doing the other side. So we got what we needed, and we're about to take off. It seems like someone came and took shit apart from the EF, but if you guys still need parts, it's still here. Still has a boatload of parts, I'd say. But yeah, definitely come check it out. Like I said, it's in the Rialto one. All right, so it is the next day. Myra and I actually went to the junkyard yesterday, so that was Monday. Today's Tuesday. I was gonna record yesterday because, you know, we ended up going to the pier and fishing, and Papa and I caught the same fish but different. You get me? So we caught the same fish but different size. But nonetheless, we are back home. This is what we got from the junkyard. I honestly don't know what these are called, if I'm being honest. We got that, and then the hardware to go with it. I'm honestly thinking about painting these black, but I'm not too sure if I'm being honest. I think we are gonna paint them. Yeah, fuck it. Let's paint them. So right now, well, first things first, let's go ahead and clean them up, because as you guys can see, they are dirty. They need a good cleaning with. I was about to say fabuloso, no mames. They need a good cleaning with LA Awesome. There you go. So I thought the EF did not have these, which turns out they do, but they broke. So one piece is right here, right, and the other piece is bolted on. And the same thing with this side. It broke. I don't know where the other one's at, but I mean, it's here. Yeah. Some LA Awesome. Then I forgot to get a before and after, but it's all good. Alright, we're gonna let this one dry. With a before and after with this one. Go there, girl. funny because I'm cleaning it with degreaser and I'm also rinsing it with degreaser. Oh, I got all over my shoe. Hey, put me to chooch. Oh, we just cleaned them up, got them washed. Now they're drying over here. They actually cleaned up pretty nice, not gonna lie. We're gonna go ahead and let those two dry. And yeah, so it is gonna be end of this video. I'm gonna save, you know, painting them and then installing them for the next video. And I think we're gonna install the traction bar as well, maybe, or at least get it ready to be installed or whatnot. And see what else. Oh, and I still need to cut my hood too. I know you guys are probably wondering after I said that or whatnot. Oh, now why are you gonna cut it? Blah blah blah. This and that. Don't worry, guys. I have another hood right here, so you know we're good. Just in case anything happens, we're good. I am going hood exit on my setup. That's why I want to cut the hood as well, and do the same thing I did to the EK. You know, cut the webs and whatnot, and put a design. But yeah, like always, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.